Okay, guys, the last section is on factoring, and there are a bunch of different rules here. So let's see what we got. Okay. Let's go to OneNote. All right. So first factoring is what we call our easy factoring. The way that we know is there's a 1 in front of the m. So we're going to do 1 times 63. We get 63. We want two factors of that to add to give us the number in the middle, which is negative 16. So factors of 63, the only ones that I know of are 7 and 9, which works out nice. So, because that does give us negative 16. Because there was a 1 in the front, we can just jump to our answer. M minus 7, M minus 9, and that's it. All right, number 2. This one doesn't have a 1 in the front, but all of these are divisible by 4. So I'm going to take out a 4. We get m squared plus 4m minus 12. Now I have a 1 in the front on the inside. So I'm going to do 1 times negative 12. We're going to get negative 12. Want two factors of that to add to give me the number in the middle, which is positive 4. So factors of 12 that are going to get me there, 10 and 2, or sorry, not 10 and 2. 6 and 2 will work for me. So 6 and negative 2. And because there is a 1 in front, we can just go ahead and jump to our answer. M plus 6, M minus 2. All right, next ones are a little bit more challenging. There's nothing that I can take out of all three of these. So we are just going to have to factor the long way. 3 times negative 12 is going to give me negative 36. I want two factors of negative 36 that add to give me 5. So let's think about that. 6 and 6, no. 3 and 12, no. Let's see, what are other factors of 36? 4 and 9, yes, that worked. So we're going to use positive 9 and negative 4. Now, we're going to have to do this one a little bit different. What we're going to do is we're going to rewrite it. 3r squared plus 9r, not plus there, let's do minus 4r minus 12. And now we're going to factor by grouping. So group these two together, and go with that. All right. 3 and 9 are both divisible by 3. They also both have an r in it, so we're going to take out an r. Whenever I take out an r, I'm left with 1, and 9r divided by 3r is positive 3. Bring down the sign. So bring this down. 4 and 12 are both divisible by 4. We're going to be left over with r. Negative 12 divided by negative 4 is positive 3. I know I did this correctly because these two things match up. So maybe a check mark right there. And now we can go to our answer. R plus 3 is one of the factors. The other factor is 3r minus 4. All right, and let's highlight these guys. This is our answer. All right, last one like this, and then I'm going to create a separate video for the other ones. First, I want to see if there's something they're all divisible by, and there is something here. It looks like 12 and 16 are both divisible by 4. So let's begin by taking out a 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Negative 16 divided by 4 is negative 4. And 80 divided by 4 is negative 20. Okay, this is a little bit more manageable for us. So we're just going to be focusing on the inside. But keep in mind that we do have this on the outside the whole time as we are working. So we're going to do 3 times negative 20, which is negative 60. And I want two factors of negative 60 that add to give me negative 4. So factors of 60 are, I'm actually going to use the function on my calculator. What I'm going to type in is negative 60 divided by x, and then I'm going to go click on the table. So let me check this out. I'm sure the solution is much easier than I'm thinking. Okay, factors of 60 are 1 and 60, that's not going to work. 2 and negative 30, no. 3 and 20, no. 4, negative 15, no. 5 and negative 12, 6 and negative 10. Wow, that really wasn't bad. 6 and negative 10 are going to be what we'll use. So now we can rewrite this. All right, factoring by grouping. Gonna leave the 4 on the outside. 3 and 10 are not divisible by anything, but I can take out a v. So we left over 3v minus 10. Bring down the sign. 6 and 20 are both divisible by 2. And we're gonna get the same thing. We'll know that we did this correctly because the insides do match up. So our first factor is going to be 3v minus 10. Our second factor is going to be v plus 2. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. You can just message me in Remind and I will be happy to help. All right, have a great rest of your day. Goodbye.